In this video, I'll show you how to download your own YouTube videos to a USB flash drive in Windows 11. First, connect your USB flash drive to your computer. Wait a few seconds until Windows detects it. Now open File Explorer. Click This PC. Make sure your USB flash drive appears under Devices and Drives. Next, open your web browser. Go to YouTube. Click your profile picture in the top right corner. Select YouTube Studio. From the left panel, click Content. Find the video you want to download. Keep in mind that you can only download videos that you own from YouTube Studio. Click the Options menu next to the video. Select Download. Wait for the video to finish downloading. Now open File Explorer again. Open the Downloads folder. Find the video you just downloaded. Right-click the video. Select Copy. Go back to this PC. Open your USB flash drive. Right-click inside the USB flash drive. Select Paste. Wait for the file to finish copying. Open the USB flash drive to confirm that the video has been transferred successfully. That's it. This is how you can download your own YouTube videos to a USB flash drive in Windows 11. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.